Today we will gonna learn the interface of Power BI. It's a quick tour. So before that, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel to learn more about Power BI. So let's start this video. This is the first interface default screen when you download the Power BI. So as you see in the interface, it's showing Power BI desktop, get data. It's asking if you are building a report. This is the first time when you open. But so let me show you quickly how you can first download the Power BI from where. So I have already downloaded this. So you can also download this Power BI. Just simply type on Google download Power BI desktop. I have already visited this site. So it is a official Microsoft website. You can download Power BI version from it, and it is absolutely free from this platform. Just go over the Microsoft Power BI and download option. If you have already installed Microsoft Store, it will directly revert you to the Microsoft, or you can also download through website exe file. You can just simply put download over here, right? So I have already downloaded this, so I'm gonna not do this. So you can do this from here, right? So after installing, you will see the first interface looks like this, but maybe in recent resources you will not see anything because I have opened some recent resources there, right? And you can see my name is here because I have already logged in this. So login in this Power BI, you need a organization account, but initially you don't have an organization account, but you can already work on this, right? Here are some updates Power BI given on their screen. What's the update? So we have different kinds of tab there and their use cases. I'm going to tell you about in detail in some other video. So let's quickly understand and just go with the flow of this video, like how looks like Power BI and what are the things. So I have opened first time this Power BI and it's asking to import data because I haven't imported any data as of now. And to build a report, I need some data, right? So this is the data tab. When we insert data into our Power BI, so all the tables name and their columns will see under the tab of data, right? And this is the visualization pane. To build the visuals, we need charts from this platform. We can select any chart type, pie chart, bar chart, and any chart, and we will put data into this. So we will select from this field. Now this is the three core views of Power BI. You are seeing this report view, data view, and model view. Let's learn it one by one. Report view, this is the view where we build reports. Directly we will select the visuals and charts and build our reports. Now this is the data view. Data view is a view where we see our data type tables in the form of tables. We can see data, and this is a model tab. Here we see the relationship we build in between tables, right? Now under the home tab, you are seeing there are some options given here. What is the use of these options, right? Now this is the get data. From this is a very common uh, most of the time we will use this to connect the data sources. So this is the we can connect many sources from data here, like it's showing Excel, Power BI, data flow, SQL Server, text, CSV, and there are many more. If I click over more, it will show me the list of hundreds of data sources through which I can connect, right? There are many data sources which I can connect. So when you are working on Power BI, so you need to connect data directly through Excel or any database, SQL or PostgreSQL, etc., right? Or there are uh, some tabs you can also directly access Excel workbook. If you know you are connecting Excel workbook from your local system, this is the data hub, SQL server, and recent resources. Now this is the transform tab. This is very interesting to learn transform tab. Actually, it when you click over the transform tab, it will pop up a new window, right? This is the Power Query editor. It is called Power Query editor or Power Query simply. So it is a ETL tool basically. Here, before loading data, we will work on this. If we need to some modification in our data or do some any kind of changes or transformation in data, so we will use this Power Query tool editor. So this will also show us sources to connect. We can directly come over this transform tab and connect any source of data, like if we are connecting Excel or something. So it will load data in this sphere. In now this screen is blank, but once we load data, it will show data, and we click on transform tab, it shows us many options like transpose, reverse rows, count rows, right? Unpivot, extract. If we need to extract or duplicate some column, remove some column, this kind of transformation we are doing here, that is not possible on Power Query desktop. This is the desktop and this is the Power Query, so it is only for the purpose of transformation. And we can add column as well. There are some functions based on condition based column and many more, right? So after connecting data, we can simply click on close and apply. It will apply all the transformation we have done on Power Query and load data according to that transformation in this Power BI desktop, right? And after that, we start building these reports in our Power BI desktop. Sure. If I click on insert tab, you are seeing here new page. We can, if we click on there, we can have option of adding blank page or duplicate. If I click blank page, it will add a page simply, or we can also add a page by just clicking over there, right? So I'm gonna deleting this page right now. uh, and if you want to insert new visual, you can click on there and it will automatically add a default visual there. But but from this we will use very less. We can simply select visual from this. If I select over there pie chart or any chart we want to see, right? Now more visuals option is there. Key influencer, this is the Power BI AI tools which we can use. There are some more visuals, and these are the advanced options. We will talk about it later. And we can also insert any text or shape buttons here or any image we want to connect. Now, if I click over modeling tab, now you are seeing we have options of creating new measures. Now these options are not accessible because we haven't loaded any data. But once you loaded data, it all options are will be visible and you can access these options. And but right now I'm showing you the interface and overview, like which option we are using mostly. So click new measure. Whenever we want to load data and we want to create any DAX or analyze any data based on some calculation, we can click on new measure, or we can also create a measure by clicking on table. If I click overview, you can simply change the theme of your Power BI background and etc. And click on optimize and help. You can also take a help from this Power BI. They have a community over their Microsoft Power BI website and external tools over there, but we will not use external tools as of now. Now I will show you the filter pane. This is the filter pane. Here we will drag any filter from the fields. If we want any zone wise, state wise filter, we can just simply put the filter. Now there are three types of filter in this pane. The first one is visual level filter. If I select any visual there, now you are seeing this option will be visible because we haven't selected yet any visual. Now this is the visual level filter, page level filter, and filters on all pages. If I have a report of more than 2 pages, like this is the 3 page report, and if I have to apply filter on visual level, it will only filter this visual. If I have more than one visual, let's say I have a bar chart also, so if I apply any filter on this page, it will apply filter whenever I click on this filter. So it will change the widgets of all, and filters on pages, as it suggests the name, it will filter data on all the pages, not only a single page or not a visual, right? Now you are seeing these are the values. Now these are the field where we need to put values. In these fields we put values as per the requirement. We want to show data as of different type, like this is a bar chart, column chart, sorry. So we need to put some data on x-axis and y-axis as well, so it will show the data as per the requirement, right? And also you are seeing this formatting tab here, so it will provide you some formatting option. Now I haven't clicked on any visual, so this is the page formatting. So we can also set page information there, canvas setting. If I want to increase the size of my page where I am building reports, or I can also customize as well, right? So by default it is 6:9. I can also set canvas background. Currently it is white. I can set as a blue or orange as well when I building the report as well. So if I set wallpaper over blue, now this all the color you're seeing it's blue, right? But let's leave it white only. Filter pane and filter cards. So these are all the options are for the formatting purpose. When I have the, if you want to format any shape, So you can just click on the shape and it will show you the option of formatting. As of now we don't have any data, so it will not show any option. I hope you understand a quick tour about the Power BI. This is all what we get, right? So I hope you understand about the quick tour of the Power BI, and it will help you to get some idea about Power BI, how to download it and how it looks like. If you like this video, please share with your friends as well. Thank you so much.